Commercial painting contractors in Portland, Oregon. Cascade Painting and Restoration. We've painted a number of schools and churches, dozens of commercial buildings, large industrial buildings. We have an expert staff of journeyman painters. We have done a dozen or more jobs at the Chinese Garden, restoring their pavilions. We do both exterior painting and interior painting. Call us today at 503-936-3255 for a free estimate and consultation on your project. Or check out our website on the web. Type in Cascade Painting and Restoration.